हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। Start. Leave granted. Full stop para. This appeal has been preferred by Sadhana Chaudhary, being aggrieved against an order dated 12/12/2018 passed by the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad, by which her writ petition seeking judicial review of her dismissal from the Uttar Pradesh Higher Judicial Services by respondent number 1 had been rejected. Full stop para. Factual matrix para. The appellant was recruited into the Uttar Pradesh Judicial Services on 5/6/1975 and was posted as additional Munsif, Dehradun. Full stop. She was subsequently promoted to the Chief Judicial Magistrate cadre in 1981 and again to the Uttar Pradesh Higher Judicial Services on 21/3/1987. Full stop para. A division bench of the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad, while seized of the first appeal against a land acquisition reference, made certain observations on 5/3/2004 with regard to the manner in which some other land acquisition cases of similar nature were being adjudicated by subordinate judicial officers in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Full stop. A copy of the judgment was placed by the registrar before the administrative committee of High Court for appropriate action. Full stop. The administrative committee constituted a committee comprising of 2 judges to probe into complaints to collusion in land acquisition matters. This inquiry committee, after visiting numerous districts of western Uttar Pradesh (UP) and examination of many judgments, submitted a report on 19/9/2004 recommending initiation of disciplinary action against certain judicial officers including the appellant. Full stop para. Accordingly, a charge sheet was served upon the appellant with regard to 2 judicial orders delivered by her during her stint as additional district judge at Ghaziabad. Following were the charges attributed to the appellant: para. Court. Charge number 1, that you on 10/2/2003, while posted as second additional district judge Ghaziabad, decided land acquisition reference number 193/1996 Lail Singh versus State of UP and 35 others illegally and against all judicial norms and propriety, awarding to the claimant solatium additional amount and interest over and above the rate at which 2 other claimants had entered into compromise, which was inclusive of such other benefits, at an enhanced rate of rupees 265 per square yard as against rupees 74.40 determined by the SLAO for land area 276 bighas, 12 biswas and 15 biswansi. Unduly awarded an additional amount of rupees 47,73,39,903.86, which leads to an interference that you were actuated by extraneous considerations and you thereby failed to maintain absolute integrity and complete devotion to duty, and you thus committed misconduct within the meaning of Rule 3 of UP Government Servants Conduct Rules, 1956. Full stop para. Charge number 2, that you on 7/11/2003 posted as additional district judge court number 1 Ghaziabad, while deciding land acquisition reference number 91/2001 Umesh Chandra versus State of UP and 66 other cases, enhanced the rate of compensation from rupees 100 per square yard determined by the SLAO to rupees 160 per square yard illegally, disregarding. Full stop. Over. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये हो गया सिविल मैटर. ठीक है, 120 प्लस की स्पीड है. ओके, कमेंट वगैरह बताइएगा और फ्रस्ट्रेट बिल्कुल मत होइएगा इतनी स्पीड में डिक्टेशन लेने से. ना लिख पाएँ कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, मत लिखिए. मतलब लिखिए लेकिन फ्रस्ट्रेशन मत लेकिन आने दीजिएगा, ठीक है। ये डिक्टेशन में अगर आप 74 या अंडर 50, सॉरी 74 तो बहुत ज़्यादा मिस्टेक हो गई, अगर 50 मिस्टेक इस डिक्टेशन पे आ रही है आपकी, तो आप समझ लीजिए एग्ज़ाम में आपकी मिस्टेक्स अंडर 25 ही रहेगी, ठीक है। बाकी प्रैक्टिस करिए और 2 मिनट बाद आपको क्रिमिनल मैटर देते हैं हम। हाँ, कमेंट्स वगैरह वो सब बता दीजिएगा कैसे क्या है, क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है। लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दीजिएगा, अपने दोस्तों से भी करवा दीजिएगा। इतना तो करवा ही सकते हैं आप, फ्री का काम है डिक्टेशन, मेरा मतलब है सब्सक्राइब करना, करवा दीजिएगा, क्या दिक्कत है उसमें। पैसे लग रहे होते तो कोई दिक्कत भी होती है ना। चलिए तो शुरू करते हैं डिक्टेशन 10 सेकेंड के बाद। चलिए रेडी हो जाइए आप लोग। चलिए शुरू करने जा रहे हैं, ओके। स्टार्ट। द ऑर्डर डेटेड 24th December 2018 passed by the High Court of Judicature at Hyderabad is the subject matter of challenge in the present appeals, one by the state and the other by the accused officer, full stop, para. The High Court partly allowed the petition filed by the accused officer under section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 qua the proceedings arising out of crime number 28/ACB CIU HYD/2011 dated 9th November 2011, full stop, para. Such FIR was registered on the basis of the statement given by Chaudhary Sudhakar, Deputy Superintendent of Police, at about 10 a.m. full stop. The FIR reads as under : para. The High Court, in a petition for quashing of the charge sheet, held that there was no authorization to register the crime and that the informant cannot be the investigating officer, and thus quashed the same, full stop. The state is aggrieved against the said two findings, whereas the accused officer has challenged the findings of the High Court, not accepting the grounds passed by him in seeking the quashing of the charge sheet, that there is no preliminary inquiry before the registration of the crime, that there is no sanction, and that there is a delay in the completion of the investigation which has prejudiced the rights of the accused officer, full stop, para. Miss Beena Madhavan, Learned Counsel for the State, submitted that the accused officer joined as sub-inspector on 19th September 1985 and was promoted as inspector on 4th April 1997, full stop. He was further promoted as DSP in the year 2007. In pursuance of the FIR filed, a draft final report was prepared on 30th April 2015, but the same was submitted on 9th October 2017 after the accused officer retired on 31st May 2017, full stop. Section 17 of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 pertains to investigation into cases under the Act, full stop. A police officer not below the rank of inspector authorized by the state government by general or special order may also investigate any such offence, full stop. An offence under clause in bracket E of subsection 1 of section 13 of the Act cannot be investigated without an order of the police officer not below the rank of Superintendent of Police, full stop. Section 17 of the Act reads as under : para. Persons authorized to investigate, notwithstanding anything contained in the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 in bracket 2 of 1974 bracket out, no police officer below the rank, full stop, para, elsewhere of a deputy superintendent of police or a police officer of equivalent rank shall investigate any offence punishable under this Act without the order of a metropolitan magistrate or a magistrate of the first class, as the case may be, or make any arrest therefore without a warrant : para, provided that if a police officer not below the rank of an inspector of police is authorized by the state government In this behalf, by general or special order, he may also investigate any such offence without the order of a metropolitan magistrate or a magistrate of the first class as the case may be, or make arrest therefore without a warrant. Full stop. Over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये हो गया डिक्टेशन आपका 120 प्लस की स्पीड में है. ठीक है, कमेंट्स वगैरह बता दीजिएगा. मिलते हैं फिर अगले डिक्टेशन में. ठीक है.